TDD Motors is a global automotive performance technology company headquartered in Hong Kong. Dedicated to redefining the driving experience through innovation and precision engineering. Our product portfolio includes LED steering wheels, magnetic paddle shifters, carbon fiber steering wheels, and smart trim systems, delivering a new generation of intelligent performance upgrades. TDD Motors has continuously refined its technology to achieve faster response, clearer tactile feedback, and enhanced driver engagement. From concept development to large-scale manufacturing, every product reflects our commitment to precision, performance, and reliability. Our carbon fiber steering wheel factory spans over 12,000 square meters. Equipped with more than 50 advanced production and development machines. Supporting the development of over 300 vehicle models with a core team of more than 300 professionals. With strong manufacturing capability and strict quality control systems. We ensure consistent product performance and premium quality across every detail. Trusted by performance enthusiasts and professional partners worldwide. TDD Motors continues to push the boundaries of automotive innovation. Our magnetic paddle shifter production line further expands our expertise in high-precision components, offering OEM and ODM solutions with flexible customization for global partners.